Let's go fishing.
So it might be a little bit of a finicky bite today. The weather's definitely not ideal. It's super windy, but we're out here. It was 34 degrees this morning. It's supposed to drop to about 22, I believe. Today was the only day I had to get out here, so I'm out here. Here comes one off the bottom right now. Flashing on the bottom. There he is. Feels like a walleye. There we go. Came on the bloody nose moonshine. Tipped with a minnow. Beautiful fish. It's all flared out for you. Beauty. Got one on the bloody nose. Had one zoom in on the graph. Just trying to clean out my dead stick hole here. Oh, what the heck? I didn't even mark him. Oh, I'm losing my mind now. What is going on? There's got to be perch down there or something. I'm losing my mind. I'm getting bumped and... There he is. About time. This feels like a decent fish. Oh, lost him at the hole. Mother, son of a gun. Ah! Come on! It's a walleye and he came off at the hole. Oh my gosh. I just lost one at the hole. I've had like 6 bites. I can't get them to hook up, and then I just lost one at the hole. All on the bloody nose. I had like 5 or 6 fish on the screen. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I got the rally cap on. We've been in a severe lull, but we're gonna turn it around. Turning it around. Mark it. What time is it? 3:58. Turning it around. There's fish. Nice one. There we go. Got her started. Rally cap worked. What a beauty. Perfect eater. Not a tournament winner, but perfect eater. Well, very slow day for myself and Robert and Josh. I landed 2 walleye, lost one at the hole, lost one about halfway up, and had a few more hits that they just weren't there. But this morning we marked a lot of fish. That kind of tapered off right around 10, 11 o'clock or so. So we made a move, and there was no fish where we moved to. So we fished there for a little while, gave it a chance, you know, had a little bit to eat, and moved right back to the same holes and started marking fish fairly quick, but they just didn't want it. So I landed one more fish when we moved back and had a couple other hits, but that was it. Famous words of Forrest Gump, I think I'll go home now.